Morning, everybody. How's everybody doing today? So I just wanted to give you guys a quick video update of what we got going on here in Irvine. Let me turn this thing around. As you recall that we did a demo in this house. We took out all the existing tile, the existing wood, everything, and then they're going to go with maple. So let's take a look, see how we're doing. You're going to have to excuse the mess. So floors pretty much in. Well, all the downstairs is done. We're gonna have to excuse the mess. But first closet, maple goes all the way down. We got this plastic up against the wall. It's thick plastic. It's supposed to be really good on the knees. Got their laundry room here. We are missing that piece right there, but we'll get that installed a little bit later. Let's take a look at the living room. One closet under the stairs. I believe they might have used it as a pantry. Well, just really dirty in here, really dusty. Like I said, they're nowhere near complete, so bear with us. Oh, I think this might be a pantry. Oh, that's installed. Back to the front room here. Again, we got a lot of wood that we were cutting up yesterday. But as far as the installation goes, everything looks good. Take you guys upstairs real quick. They got one thing done right here. Got all the wood laid out. And we are starting in the hallway. We haven't gone to the other rooms. This bedroom right here. About halfway through. And that's going down all the way. So that's an update. We'll see how far we can get done today. Everybody have a good one.